So as you can see here on my screen, right, we had over 2,887 US dollars in this week. Now what we are doing with my student is I took one student and we took only one offer on Clickbank, and we started with 10 to 15 US dollars ad spend, as you can see over here, right? So we started, as you can see over here, 0 sales here. We started on May 5th at night, set up the campaign. We had over $174 over here, and then we had $264 over here, and 512, and then 700, and over here $999, right? Almost $1,000 a day. So this is the beauty of affiliate marketing. Once you have someone who can help you, right, to go step by step, you will be able to get this kind of results as well for yourself. So what you can do next as you watch this video is connect with me one-on-one. There is my Instagram where I'm sharing everything, how I travel to 65 countries because of affiliate marketing. You have my WhatsApp number, my email, and Facebook Messenger. Everything is in the description below.